Chris from Tippy Gaming, and well, today I received all of the tag team models from TT Combat's Rumble Slam. So I've got a lot of models that are going to be getting painted soon, and also before I paint them, as the resin, I need to clean them as well. So I'm going to show you how to go about doing that, because with resin models are coming down in price because resin is getting cheaper, believe it or not, and more people are tending to use them now, and they need a bit of cleaning more so than you find with the plastics and things. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Okay, so forgive the Dutch angle that I'm shooting at the minute here. The bathroom I'm in isn't particularly big, but I've got the sink ready. It's got some warm water and a bit of dish soap in as well. And I'm just going to pick a model, and all you're going to do is use an old toothbrush. This was just a cheap one I got from Sainsbury's. It's like, what was it, about 20 pence or something like that for two of them. It's just the basics range. You don't need to go and buy like an Oral-B toothbrush or anything for this. And all we're going to do is just give it a bit of a rinse in the water there. And just with the toothbrush, we're just going to be going over everything. Just making sure we get any like mould release and stuff like that off. I find particularly with the TT Combat stuff, their mould release can hang on to the models really well, and that just like stops your paint from adhering to it as much, and it's easy for the paint to flake off and stuff. So just particularly with these, but with any resin model really, you just want to make sure you brush over everything. Warm soapy water is going to really help get rid of any of it. Now once I've gone through all of these models, they're all going to be ready to just let dry, and then take outside and spray paint them as well, so they're ready to go straight onto the painting table. And there we have it. Very easy way to just preparing your models, especially the resin ones, to be ready to be painted. I mean, not many people realise that you need to clean your resin models off to get rid of the release agent, and like I say, it can stop your paint from adhering to the model, and it can just ruin an otherwise really good paint job. So make sure you do it. It's a good habit to get into for any model. Metals, plastics or resin, just always give them a quick clean, and it doesn't take too long, unless you've got like 1,000-point army or something like that maybe, but I mean, really just a little bit of time. It's going to save a lot of time on the back end. So thank you. If you like what I do, make sure you sweep that like button and hit subscribe as well. If you can leave a comment and share it with anyone who might find this interesting, it's a big help as well. Although this is just a hobby for me, I would like to be able to help as many people as I can with modelling. And I've been doing it for years, so as much as I can help new people, or even just refresh anyone who's been painting for a long time, it doesn't matter, you know, just giving something back.